My name is Nadia. It's been a while since I've been living in North Cyprus. This beautiful island is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea. Sun-rich climate, fresh air, and fascinating environment let us have a healthy lifestyle here. Health is the greatest of human blessings. People in any country should be able to access the healthcare they need regardless of their income. At the same time, rising cost of healthcare makes people find cheaper options abroad, which is leading to one of the fastest growing sectors in the travel industry, medical tourism. To get more information about medical tourism in North Cyprus, I went to have a meeting with TRNC Presidential Science and Health Committee Chair, Professor Dr. Füsun Yıldız.
I'm Professor Füsun Yıldız. I'm a specialist of pulmonary diseases. I'm working in Cyprus International University. I'm educating the students there, and I'm taking care of my patients in a private hospital. I have been living in North Cyprus for nearly 5 years, and it's not easy to adapt yourself to a place when you are coming or moving from another country to a new place. First of all, I think being a human being, not a doctor or other things, first of all, I check the countries if it is a secure place that I can live. And the second question mark in my mind, and for all people perhaps, the health system of the country. So I want to give you some information about the health system of Northern Cyprus. As you know, we have been living a great pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, for nearly 2 years, and it affected all the world and all the people. Now we have many question marks, still question marks about the virus and about how to take care of this virus and how we will get rid of this virus. But it's important to have good vaccination to get rid of this virus. So in North Cyprus, it's a very good healthcare system that you can find every kind of vaccines in the island, and many of the people in the island have this chance, and almost more than half of the population is vaccinated 3 shots. And the one who wants to have vaccine, every kind of vaccine, you can go and without paying any money, you can have your vaccine. We have a 100 beds pandemic hospital and 12 beds, I think that nearly 12 beds intensive care unit, patients unit. This hospital is only the place that take care of the patients who have COVID infection. So the patients who have COVID diagnosis have another place to have their hospitalized treatment. But the other ones who don't need any hospitalization, these people have the quarantine in their home or some hotels if they wish. So I want to briefly tell you that for a pandemic, for the great pandemic that is taking and making harm to all parts of the world and all the people, in North Cyprus we feel ourselves safe, as it's a small place and the health system easily adapts itself according to the changing situation of the virus and the numbers of the patients. The other question mark perhaps might be in your mind about the health problems. How can you solve your health problems other than COVID infection? In the island there are university hospitals, and there are also many hospitals under the direction of the government. There are government hospitals, and also there are many private hospitals that you can reach easily. And when you compare the expenses of health expenses in the country, in European countries or in America or United States or other places, it's very, very cheap when you compare it with European countries. When you need to make a checkup in a hospital, it's a fully covered checkup. It nearly takes 100 euros. The most expensive were 100 euros. It includes mammography, cardiologic examination, chest X-ray, and blood tests, many blood tests. So, in order to have a health control, you don't need to be ill to decide to come to Cyprus. You can come healthy, and in order to learn what's going on in your body, what's your health system, you can have very cheap, in very cheap prices, you can have your checkup controls. Another one is the emergent conditions. As I told you, there are government part and private part, and all these hospitals, they are emergency departments, and you can have every kind of emergency emergency controls at any hour of the day. So there is no again problem. So you can feel yourself if you are planning to come to North Cyprus, and if you want to planning to live in North Cyprus, you can have your health controls.
The warm welcome is present throughout the private hospitals. The bright and modern treatment rooms are designed for both high-quality healthcare and comfort. And here, the experienced and highly educated medical practitioners greet you with kindness and treat you with skilled care. Private hospitals offer professional healthcare and treatments for many different conditions. Their patients come from several different countries, and many of the doctors are multilingual. On next episode, I will guide you through the state hospitals in North Cyprus. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.